Yeah. Okay. So, a simple question I'm asking you everyone. How many of you want to be a innovator? Do you know the meaning of innovator?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Tell me, what is the meaning of innovator? To
To
whom we
create,
call the
To
innovator?
create new things.
to
New
create
things,
Who
ma'am.
creates
Yeah,
new
those who create new things, to them will call a, yeah, he's an innovator. Yeah, she's an
Yes,
Creator.
ma'am.
innovator. Yeah.
He built
So,
such an innovation too.
yeah, those who made innovative things, to them will call as a innovator. If she made innovative things, we'll call her, yeah, she's an innovator. Yeah, she'll do all the innovative things very well. So like that, right? I think you all know the meaning of innovator. Yeah, that's fine. So today we are going to learn about the innovator. It means for the simple thing to how we have to, from creator to innovator, how we have to change. Okay. See, the phone already someone had invented and they created as a smartphone, right? As a Nokia phone they created. From Nokia phone to innovated as a smartphone, right? As a phone is phone. The futures are changed from Nokia to smartphone, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
changes from Nokia to smartphone are there is some changes between Nokia and smartphone, right? Yeah, futures
Yes.
are but 50% the futures are there in a Nokia and the same features are there in the smartphone too, right? But only 50% extra features are added to the smartphone, right? The material is same, 50% material is same. Yes. So now also you have to be as an innovator. It means for the created items, you have to invent new things to that creative thing, and you also have to be as an innovator. Okay. So I think you're all innovators. So it means without knowing you, you may create innovative things many in your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right now. Yes or no? Without knowing
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
Yes,
you may
ma'am.
create. Yeah, without knowing you, you may create many new things, many new items, many new things. So it means you are an innovator, right? So, yeah. As we all know, for the design thinking process, we are having the 5 steps, right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for this 5 steps, the one step, empathize. What is the meaning of empathize? It's develop a
To
deep
identify
understanding. Yeah, empathize. It indicates the simply to identify the problem, to understand the problem. And also here we are having the definition for the empathize is first, before finding about the problem, first you have to feel about that. Yes, I should be a as I am the innovator, I need to innovate the many new things. First you have to get the interest about making new things, right? Without getting interest you can't do anything, right? So without
Yes,
having
ma'am.
interest,
Yes, ma'am.
you didn't come to this platform to learn design thinking, right? You are having interest in learning design thinking. So that only you are coming you are involved in this platform, right? So in that way, you have to get the interest to learn to be as an innovator, right? So, and empathize. What is the meaning of empathize? It's develop a deep understanding of the challenge, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After empathize, what we are having the second step?
Define.
Define.
fine.
Yes, define. So what do we call? What is the meaning of define? So what is?
Clearly,
Yeah, no. What? So what you understand in your words? What is the meaning of define? What you understand the meaning of define in your words?
finding the problem.
Saying about a thing
Yeah, analyzing about the problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So that yeah. So analyzing about the problem. It means clearly articulate the problem you want to solve. So exactly you have to analyze the problem. It means the similar words. So you have to particularly you have to find out the problem which I need to solve. Is this problem that I need to solve? So you have to define about that problem. And the third stage, what is the third stage in the design thinking?
Ideate, ma'am.
Ideate. The meaning of ideate. What is the meaning of ideate?
Ma'am,
Generating
generating
ideas.
all the ideas.
Yes, good, good. Ideate is in the name itself it indicates it's generating a lot of ideas. It generates a lot of ideas. So
Yes, ma'am.
how will get the ideas?
By thinking.
We are thinking about that.
Imagine.
What
Thinking.
Yes, by thinking. So the other name of the thinking is brainstorming. So brainstorm is nothing but we are thinking out of the box. So we are continuously think. So brainstorming from idea to idea, we are linking up. So that is we call as brainstorming. So if we brainstorm, we'll get the many ideas. So that we call as ideate. So brainstorm potential solution, select and develop your select solution. So it means, so ideate is nothing but generating lot of ideas. We'll get many ideas. From that ideas to we will select the one idea to for our solution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So what is the fourth? What is the fourth stage?
Prototype.
Ma'am, prototype.
Prototype. What is the meaning of prototype?
Ma'am, develop the ideas with prototype.
Yeah, it means
Ma'am, preparing.
whatever the idea we are having for the problem that we need to represent in a model
With
way our solution. We need to represent a solution problem in a model that we call as prototype, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes. And the last what? And the last what we are having the step.
Yes, ma'am.
Test,
And the
ma'am.
last we are having test. So before
Yes,
before releasing that our model in the market, we need to test once. So is there any problems or is there any modifications to change whether it is working or not? We need to test once. Without once releasing into the market, we need to test once our prototype. So after testing, we have if it is if there is no errors, so we can easily release into the market, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
just engage in a continuous short cycle innovation process to continuously improve your design. Yes. So if there is no errors in your prototype after testing, so it might be you will be success in your empathize, right? So yes, after testing you have to it can be as a you will be as an innovator.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So now a different topic is everyone can see this.
What is a toy?
So in your words, tell me as you are yeah. What is toy? Tell me what is the meaning of toy?
Ma'am, playing with the toy.
Is a yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, it is an object.
What is the meaning of
It is uses.
Ma'am, the toy is an
it
object
is uses
which the small kids use
Kids
to
uses, ma'am.
enjoy with.
Used to play.
okay. Okay, kids
Non.
toys are kids are used to play. Toys are the items that kids are used to play, and only one thing.
An object
Toys
for
are
a
only
child to play with, typically a model or miniature replica of something, madam.
okay. Yeah, and more. Only two. The meaning of toy.
Training to young children.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, enjoyable and playful thing.
Enjoyable and playful things. Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it can help to share our ideas. We also use the toys to share our ideas with toy and talking. Just
Okay. 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 Um. So I think you all know what is the meaning of toy.
Yes,
Right?
madam.
Okay. So can you tell me how many materials are there we are using in a toy?
ma'am, cotton
Uh,
and colors and
Colors.
plastic. Okay.
Clay.
Paintings.
Clay, painting,
Cloth. Wood.
cloth. Okay.
Wood, ma'am.
Wood. Okay. 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 Good. So it means we are having different types of materials that used in a toy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So like we can say wood, clay, paper, and plastic are used to make toys, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So are you having toys with you right now?
no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now? Yes. Okay. Just look on the screen here. Just go through this one. So what is a toy? So a toy is an item that is used in play, especially one designed for such use. And we are using different materials in toys like wood, clay, paper, and plastic. And these are and not only these, we can see the items. Yeah.
With glass also.
Yeah. The different materials are used to make toys, right? And playing toys can be, as you said, playing toys can be enjoyable and means of training young children. The toys are help to train young children in the life or in society, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is used in this toys?
Repeat.
Ma'am, can you repeat
tell
again?
me? Can you able to see the? Yeah. Repeating. Can you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
image screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Different
ma'am.
types of toys, right? Okay. Can you tell me which type of material they use it to make these toys?
Clay.
Either
Ma'am,
wood, clay,
Clay, ma'am.
or
And some
okay, ma'am.
sticks.
paper.
Sand.
Yeah,
Mud.
mud. Okay. And only mud.
Sticky soil.
Only mud.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, black soil.
Black soil.
No, madam.
Can you get my point? Can you know what I asked the question?
Only
Yes,
soil.
ma'am.
Which
Which
material?
material
Yeah.
is used to
Yeah. Which
make this
material
item?
use it to make these toys?
Yes.
Ma'am, different types of soils like sticky soils and some
Sticky soil?
mostly use sticky soil.
Clay soil, madam.
Yes. Okay. And any more answers? Clay soil. I heard the clay soil and mud soil and sticky soil.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, sticks.
Sticks. Okay. With the sticks, I'm not.
To another object, madam. Clay, ma'am. Clay, ma'am. Another object.
Clay. Okay. Okay. It means you said me four materials. One thing is sticky soil, and another thing is clay soil or mud soil, and another thing
Wood, ma'am.
wood. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So these type of here are some images that to show you that in different the different types of images. So with wood or with the different types of materials, there are some images here. So here the ancient Greece, the mechanical puzzle and the racket, and we can use with the wood the puzzles also, right? So we can play puzzles game also with the wood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So this is a story about toys from 18th century. Toys became more widespread with the changing attitudes towards children. And the first jigsaw puzzle, 1767, to help children learn geography by John Pillsbury. Kaleidoscope, Sir David Brewster in 1817. The modern geotrope, 1833, William John. So bubbles hook. This is the just history about that. So now come to a session in 20th century. The golden age of the toy development was at the turn of 28th century. It became a better economy in toys and industrial techniques of a precision engineering and toys such as Nutty Putty Balls, Barbie dolls. So we are having different types of toys, right? As you know, so for girls they are having the Barbie dolls, and for boys we're having the Avengers, so Spider-Man, and like those different types of toys we are having based on the gender, right? So if we are having if we are having the small kids, girls, so we are having the doctor kit, something we are having for the girls. And if boys are there for kids, car races, these type of toys we are using for boy kids. So based on the gender, we are having different types of toys based on the age limit, right? So if you are the 10th standard, which toy you will use?
Ma'am.
Cubic.
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 Good. So if we give this cube to the 3-year-old, is this will useful for the 3-year-old baby? No.
No, ma'am.
So
No,
cube is
ma'am.
only, yes, the cube is only useful for the higher age limit, the babies. I mean for the
Teenage
Girls
girls.
or boys.
yes, whatever it may be, for the higher age, for the higher age limit children. Yes. Yes. So I need for toys. It means why we need toys? Only to train the children?
Learn something from that.
Okay, you can learn something from the toys. Like
To solve the puzzles.
from which toys we can learn?
Ma'am, for example,
Ma'am, for example, you before slide you show that, ma'am, cube.
Cube. Yeah, from cube to we can learn some education. So we can build our thinking power, right? Okay, good. So why we need toys more? Oh, so what is the use of playing with the toys? So I don't want to answer that only. So only to train for the kids. I need the second answer. Instead of telling that answer, I need the second answer.
ma'am, to develop logical thinking.
To develop the logical thinking. Okay.
Toys engage a child's
Current.
sense, spark their imagination and encourage, ma'am,
Okay, imagination
them
to
to
encourage the
interact with
imagination.
others.
Okay, good.
Develop their minds.
Developing their mindset. Okay. Okay. And
Help them build motor skills and hand-eye coordination.
I didn't get you. Help? Help? Sorry, Nana, I didn't
Character
get you. Yeah, characteristic.
changing.
Characteristic changing. Okay. Okay. Characteristic changing. Okay. 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 Good. So you tried very well. So can you able to see in the screen some developments are there? The physical development, cognitive development, emotional development, and social development, stimulate development. So what are those? Can anyone? What all those
Ma'am, benefits.
benefits? Okay. And anyone? So what all those? So why we involve these developments in toys? Anyone? So can anyone tell me or else okay, can anyone tell me is there any toys, physical toys like I mean science science toys, maths toys? Are we having this type of toys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, it means if you are telling yes, so you can easily tell this what type of developments are those or these all. So why we are involving these developments in this toys?
Ma'am, academical development.
Economic development. Okay,
Ma'am, academics.
for the academic. It means you are telling in the academic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
And-
we way of thinking is different to use the toys, play with toys.
Okay. Way of thinking is different. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, we are thinking like logically, and how can we solve the puzzles and some.
Yeah, I got your point. So my question is, so why we are involving these? What is the meaning of physical development and cognitive development? What is these all development? So my question is, what are these developments and why we are involving these in toys? So what is the
For
difference between
making
these?
interest to the students, we can use these developments.
Okay, interest. Okay, before getting interest, if you know about this development only, now you will get interest.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
without knowing these developments, you won't get interest, right? So what is meaning of what all those developments? You have to give work to your brain so that only you'll get the answers, otherwise you won't get the answers.
Ma'am, physical development is controlling of their bodies and skills.
Controlling body. Yeah,
Ma'am,
you're
physical
great.
development is for physical fitness and also.
Okay. If there is a physical, so if you are telling me it is a physical fitness, okay. So emotionally
Ma'am,
development.
physically, mentally, for our brain.
Okay, that toys. Then did you see the second one? Cognitive development? So what is the meaning of that? Yeah, I got your point that so physical development is physically, mentally, that it's developed by using the toys. So okay, it's fine. So what is the meaning of cognitive development? Hmm. Yeah. Mm. So yeah, you can research this development in a Google. There's no problem. Just before before telling myself, you have to think by, you have to get these definitions by your own. So for that only I'm giving you much time. So you can try in a Google or anywhere, whatever from where do you want to research, you can try. Yeah. So can I give this as an assignment for you? Will you research on this to get this definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
As one of your friend told, so if you get if you interest about these developments only, you'll know about you'll be very more involvement in that. So that's someone one of your friend told me right now, right? So in the same way, if you know the meanings and definitions of these developments only, so you may know the better.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yes. So it's an assignment for you. So I will post in an Google Classroom this PPT. So can you
Ma'am,
go
involving and reasoning, ma'am.
involving and reasoning? What? Cognitive development?
Yeah, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. No. No.
Improving educational skills, ma'am.
Improving educational theme. Yeah,
Ma'am,
somewhat
gaining
you are
knowledge.
gaining knowledge. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay.
Ma'am, giving vitamins to the brain, important vitamins to the brain, cognitive development.
Brain development.
Uh, giving
Giving
vitamins
important vitamins to the brain.
okay.
Ma'am, attention. Being
Being attention. Getting many answers. Okay.
Ma'am, cognitive development means how children think and explore and figure think about, and it is the development of knowledge, skills, problem solving, and
Okay.
dispositions which help children to think about and understand the world around them. Brain development is a part of cognitive development.
Okay.
Concentration.
No. Okay. Think over it
ma'am,
and
focusing.
focusing. Cognitive is nothing but focusing. Huh?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I think it's recognizing the problems, logical reasoning, etc.
Okay. No. Okay. Just an assignment for you. Just think over it. What is this development? So why we are involving these developments in toys? This is my question. Okay. So fine. So just research on these. So what are the answers you are getting? Just please note down. As sir said, just please note down in a paper and post this assignment in a Google Classroom so that I'll finalize the ideas.
Ma'am,
Okay.
brain development.
Brain development. Okay. Okay, good. Brain development. Okay. 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 So, okay, can I give this as an assignment? I think if you are telling now itself, so the remaining they can't research by their own. So they will write as your answers. They won't research on these. So by their own, they won't understand what is meaning of these developments. Okay. Shall we give the chance for the others also to find out about these developments?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Good. So if you want to take a screenshot, no need. I will share this PPT in a Google Classroom. So kindly go through that and complete this assignment and post your answers in a Google Classroom so that I will finalize. And the remaining slides we are going to discuss in the previous class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Is there any more doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Huh? No? Okay.
Could you please
No,
post this
ma'am.
in Google Classroom?
No. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Wait. Hansita, it's a kind of information to you. Just while you are speaking, just speak loudly so that so while